I paid so much money for my expensive 75-inch TV, and still the room is so dark when I am trying to watch The House of Dragon. Hey, Rhaenyra, I want you on the Iron Throne. Please come back. So I was looking for a way to light up the room, but I didn't want it, to interrupt the movie, because I still want to enjoy the movie. But I wanted to make it fun. And this is how I found the Govee TV Backlight 3. Guys, this is the product if you are loving movies and cinema. Well, hi everyone, I am Valentine, an engineer who quit her career to do tech reviews here on YouTube. And today I am gonna be reviewing these TV backlights by Govee, as I just told you guys. So let's get started, because I cannot wait to show you how it improved my movie life.
Now guys, the Govee TV Backlight 3 truly amazed me. The movie nights are a big deal in our house, especially after my 3-year-old finally go to bed, because that's the only time me and my husband can really spend together. But after 2 hours in a dark room, our eyes would get tired. And the reason is the contrast. Your eyes keep readjusting between a bright screen and a dark wall at night. That's just a natural progress. That's how our eyes works. Now, bias lighting fixed that. Soft light behind the TV means your eyes stop working over time, and the picture suddenly feels bigger because the colors don't stop at the edge of the screen. It's like extending your TV. Now, Govee has led this category for years. We all heard about Govee lights, and the engineer in me respects why. They took a camera, which is based color matching mainstream, built the industry's first multi-zone color sampling, while others still read the screen at one averaged color, and they kept iterating from single to dual to triple the camera system, like an actual engineering team. Now the model I've been living with is the Govee TV Backlight 3, their new dual camera version. First, guys, installation. Because I know half of you are wondering, it's a 5-10 minutes job. Adhesive strip around the back of the TV, small camera on top, and the Govee Home app walks you through everything on screen. Calibration is where I'll give you my one piece of real world advice. Don't rush it. The app maps your screen using markers, and taking the extra 2 or 3 minutes to align them properly is the difference between lighting that matches your screen and lighting that's just vaguely nearby. Now the performance. The dual camera using a 4MP hybrid lens with double the scanning precision of the previous generation and an upgraded filter for warm tones. This is truly awesome. Like sunset scenes looked natural instead of orange soup behind your TV, which is where these systems usually fall apart. Now let's talk about AI, of course. The AI color mapping divides your screen into up to 24 independent zones, calm 3:4 mode for slow films, finer 6:8 mode for action. It removes black bars so there are no false shadows, and dims on blank screens to save power. This strip is high density RGBWIC, 4 LEDs in one with a dedicated white channel. So whites look white, like actually white, and colors have depth in them. And who doesn't like some deep colors? Now the strip built that way that it has 60 LEDs per meter, which makes it about 20% brighter. So the screen genuinely extends onto your wall, and you can see and feel the difference. And another thing is that it's fast. It's really truly quick. The dual chips deliver over 1.7 on the processing power with millisecond response, and the Dream View technology syncs up to 10 Govee devices for 360 degrees of an effect, which in a house our size actually gets used. So guys, this is how it looks like. Nothing is on because of the copyrights. I cannot really show you parts of movies, so it has to be no copyrights videos. So that's the front of my TV. So guys, I truly want to show you how they work like in a real life. So it is the middle of the day right now, so you can see it's light outside, and the lights are so bright. And now this is how it looks like when the lights are on, and I truly want to show you what it looks like when the lights are off. How boring is this? Can you imagine a movie night like that? It's just extra boring. And now let's turn them on. Isn't it a crazy, like truly crazy difference? The colors are vibrant, the saturation is high, and you can absolutely control the brightness. So I can show you from the app. That's on 0 brightness, 1%. And of course you can control the brightness fully from 1% to 100 here through the app. Easy peasy. Look how awesome is that. So that's 100% brightness right here. And that's about 50% brightness. So you can absolutely control it all. And of course that outside of that, you have tons of options here. You have AI, so you can tell them what to do and it will create like a scene for you. You can just choose one color, or you can go and have a scene. Now guys, towards the end, I would love to introduce you to some other options and to compare actually between all the options that Govee has in this line of TV backlights of theirs. Well, let's get started. So, the lineup. Because Govee builds a version of this for different people, right? Well, the TV Backlight 3 Lite is the entry-level single camera model. If you are just getting into smart home tech or TV backlighting and want to try it without spending too much, this is the most affordable way to get started. And whichever model you go with, color accuracy isn't something you need to worry about. They all do an excellent job of matching what's on your screen. Now, the TV Backlight 3 is what I reviewed here today, guys, is the sweet spot and my recommendation for most people. So I absolutely love this model. It offers the best balance of performance, features, and price combination, which makes it the best value in the lineup, in my opinion. The TV Backlight 3 Pro, on the other hand, is the flagship with an HDR triple camera system and the best overall performance. So if you are after the highest level of accuracy and the most premium experience, this is gonna be the option for you. This is the one to go for, the Backlight 3 Pro. And finally, there is the AI Sync Box Kit 2. It skips the camera entirely and syncs through HDMI instead, perfect for anyone who doesn't want a camera mounted over their TV while still getting highly accurate color matching.
So guys, please let me know your opinion down below at the comments, and I truly hope that this review was helpful for you. It is definitely changed the way we do movie nights from now on. Just sit there. So guys, I truly hope that you enjoyed this review of mine. Please let me know your opinion down below at the comments, and I am gonna leave you all the links down below at the description box, as well as any possible information like coupon codes, sales, promotions, any possible way to save some money of yours. So don't snooze, because you're gonna lose. That's your opportunity to get it for an amazing price. So guys, I'm gonna leave you all the links down below, as well as coupon codes or any possible information to save some money so you can get it for lower. Yes, and that was actually all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video of mine. I'll see you on my next videos. I love you all. XOXO Valentine.